How to recover Metro Bank online banking password. Hi everyone, this is Alana from Create, Login and Delete. Let's jump right into the video. Start by opening up any web browser and search for metrobankonline.co.uk. On this web page, you want to click on the Login button, then select your banking account type. Here you can enter the 12-digit customer number or username and then click on the continue option to log into your account. However, if you have forgotten your password, you want to click on the forgotten your password or security number link. That's going to redirect you to this page. Here, if you have already registered your account, you want to click on the reset your password option. Once you click on this option, you will have to enter your 12-digit customer number or username. Now click on the continue option and from there you will be able to reset your password, and this is how you can recover Metro Bank online banking password. And that's it for this video. Please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.